So today in this video we will see how to install VS Code in your Windows 11 and Windows 10 PC. So let's start the video. So first open your any browser and type in Visual Studio Codes or Visual Studio download and search for it, and you will find the first link. Open that link, and after opening the link you will see the download for Windows button, and for the Mac you will see the download for Mac button, and press that download button and you will see the downloading has started for this version, that is 1.1.2.7. You can also search for many versions inside the website, so you can download according to your Windows or according to your preference which you want. So here our download has started, and further you can install according to your setup. So this was for today's video. So if you want to know how to set up the Visual Studio Codes properly, so you can tell me and I can make a video on it too. Till then, thanks for watching.